Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And I often have people ask me, how do I determine what bird is coming to my feeder? Well, there's a free app called Picture Bird. So I want to show you how it works. You could look it up by taking a photo of the bird, or you can do by sound. So here we got a bird at my feeder, and I am going to take a photo. I'm going to press that red button, and let's see what it comes back as. So it is a pine warbler, and it's really cool. Now that we're here, you can scroll up and you can see the different versions of the pine warbler, male, female, immature. You can get a lot of great information, what kind of food it likes, questions to ask. You can share about that bird that you got information of. You could save that as well. And what's really cool too is as you build a library up, you could then go back and you could see your different collections of the different birds that you've taken photos of. So here's a downy woodpecker. And so it's really a great way to learn about birds and very simple. Now, there is a subscription option which you can go with. Now, if you get this when you go into the app and you get this as your first part of the screen, you can just click the X or click try it free, and then you can use it. And it's a great app. A friend of mine shared with me about it, and it's great. I've just learned so much about different birds. I got this brown thrasher that comes to my feeder often, and again, it's a great way to learn about the different birds. So there you go. I'll put a link to this app. Please feel free to share this with others who might want to learn more about birds as well. And again, there's other great information here in this app that you could learn all about birds. All right, have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Take care.